Before continue, we will go to the Unity store to download some Unity asset that we are going to use. One of them is Fantasy Skybox Free. We can search for it with this name, and we click here to add. After clicking on Add, we are going to open it in Unity. And in Unity, we are going to click here to download. That since it is downloaded, we give you an import. As it ends up being imported, let's close this tab, and before continue, let's configure the Skybox. The Skybox is, as the Skybox says its name. Well, since it was downloaded, we go here to the Assets folder. You see a Fantasy Skybox Free folder. Opened it. We go here to the first folder. In Classic, we can use them for give 1 hearts to the sky of cloud simulation. Let's put this one for example look. And that sky will light up. Functions as a global illumination. We can change it to see which one we like the most. Here where the character is where we can see more or less there what it would look like. Let's give the character a little twist to make the sky a little better appreciated. And we can put it on at night. Just drag it here to the part, and is now being updated. But for the time being, I think we are going to put 2C. I believe that. Okay, we go back to the Asset Store. Let's download now for what bodies of water are. That's what we are going to use is Simple Water Shader URP. You can search for it with this name. It is free of charge. All the asset found in the store, free of charge containing this type of license, can be used for projects to market them free of charge without paying any membership. Well then, let's go use that one too. Will be added to it. Will be added in the same way. We'll open it in Unity. And here they are going to give you download, and then you will be given an import. And there you will be given an import. There it downloads faster. It is only 3 megabytes. And that's all for the moment. In the next video, let's add what is already the body of water. And we are going to cross this perimeter so that the water is only here. No, it does not come out because it has animation. Then while the water is animating, no PS. Random in this section because there are many cracks. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next time.